We are fully stuck.
We are so wow, we were ill prepared for this.
This caught us by surprise. We didn't expect this to happen.
Yeah.
Whoa. Coffee's ready. Pie pumpkin spice latte for Kelly.
Good morning from a lake right outside of White Sands National Park. It is quite frigid outside, and this lake is is that the way you say it? Infamously? It is infamously known as the Pee Pee Poo Poo Lake. Because apparently it smells pretty bad, but it's so cold outside that I don't think the smell is quite as bad as it is in the summertime. We had this big plan to explore White Sands all day, maybe bike around the entire park, but it is so windy and so cold. We're gonna pack up, get into the visitor center, see what we can do today. Hopefully it's not too bad.
I'd say every 3 or 4 days when we try to turn on the bus air brakes get stuck and it won't actually raise all the way up, which means we can't move. So I have to either like slam on the gas, try and get it up, or restart it a bunch of times. And it's looking like I'm gonna have to restart it probably at least a few more times. Now I'm restarting it, getting the brakes down to 0. Fingers crossed. 3rd time's the charm. Oh, here we go.
Tommy, what are you doing?
Wild dog on the loose.
What are you doing? What is it? Daddy, you gotta come inside. We gotta go.
Oh, hello. Does someone want to come inside?
Come inside. Get inside.
Our next life.
RV life with the towing car.
We just made it to White Sands National Park, and one reason why I was so excited to come to White Sands is that it is one of the few national parks that is dog friendly. So our anxiety-ridden pup gets to explore this national park with us. We are super excited. We just pulled up at the Buslife Nature Trailhead, and because it is almost December and it's freezing, there's literally only one other car here. So I think we're gonna have the dunes to ourselves.
Okay, we made it to White Sands National Park in New Mexico.
And Kelly, literally every time you're talking, he's drinking water.
Always. Pause for sending to drink water. We went to the visitor center and we got our national parks passport stamped, and it's pretty chilly on, so I have to wear my puffer. We're about to do something I have dreamed of doing for so long, and that is biking through a national park. And I've been dying to do this specific national park because I've never been here before, and it's kind of been on my bucket list to come to White Sands because I think it's so beautiful, the white sand, and just it feels like you're in another universe. Let's go! Let's go.
It is windy! She closed her eyes, almost hit me!
Honestly, the cold weather is kind of exhilarating. No one's here, so I feel like it's our own playground. All the leaves are brown. This is wild.
I don't know if this is TMI, but my butt hurts so bad.
There ain't nothing wrong with trying that, man.
Home sweet home. You know you're home when you hear your dog barking.
Let's go include Sunny in some of the fun.
We're coming for you, Sunny. Sunny, wait. If you have never ridden a bike through a national park, I highly recommend it. And now Kelly is trying to burn out Sunny. Check this out.
Yeah, get it. Woo!
Hi!
Now comes the thing that I've been dreading, putting the bikes back on. But it's gonna be okay, it was worth it. You may think we're done, but the two most important steps are next.
I have no idea. Are you just saying that because you feel like?
No, this is where the most important steps.
I have no idea.
We have to lock them up so no one steals them, and then cover them up. We're about to leave, but we realized we cannot find one of Kelly's shoes. This happens all the time. We leave all of our shoes out 24/7.
And my AirPods are behind this couch.
Yep, they're in the corner.
They're down there somewhere.
We've made it back to the pee pee poo poo lake. I don't know why, but I feel like I can smell it more tonight. Now we're gonna take apart everything and see if we can find Kelly's shoe. Did you find it?
Oh, there it is. Why it's here, I have no idea. Crisis averted.
Now we have to somehow get Kelly's AirPods that fell all the way into that corner. All right, I'm gonna find this. I'm gonna get this right now, okay? Y'all are gonna see it.
I'm gonna try this. Spoon. Okay.
Wait, this is kind of genius.
Yeah, this is not long enough.
Getting your AirPods there.
You see it? I can go down there too.
I see it. Can you get me something skinnier, actually? Like a knife? No, I need a knife. Okay. I can... Oh! Haha!
Baby. Good job.
That was
Thank
tough.
you so much.
Wow. A little bit of a stressful start to the night, but I'm very happy that both of them are solved.
My God.
Yes! Now we're gonna make some dinner, and I'm super stoked for it. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna try something new. What is that, Kelly?
Sam's been dreaming of this. It's dumpling soup.
Also, I'm just feeling chatty Cathy. But we are both so insanely overdoing dishes. I'm not overcooking. I'm just so done with dishes.
I'm done with it because we've cooked like every meal practically for the past like
I'd say honestly a month. I feel it.
And so that's a lot of meals, a lot of dishes, and we can't leave our dishes out. We only have a couple dishes. It's not like we can leave our dirty dishes in the sink and use something else. So we are washing dishes multiple times a day.
We're arguably spending more time washing dishes than cooking.
I'm done with dishes! That falls at least 4 times per day.
Dinner is served. We've got the vegetable broth, my dumplings. Do not get the always non-stick pan. Apparently non-stick is toxic, so you shouldn't use non-stick anyways, but it ends up sticking, so it's just not worth the money. But we are going to now have our dinner and watch some TV.
Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm slipping trying to film this.
We are so insanely stuck.
And it's like not even that deep of snow, but it's this road, it curves like a pretty good degree on each side. So our bus is like this right now, and it did not have enough power to get back onto the main road.
Because we kept getting stuck in the mud deeper and deeper because we're so heavy.
Sonny's stuck back there because the pantry's closed, but it's actually for the best because I think he'd be too nervous. It's okay, baby.
Yeah. This way?
That way, yeah. No, other way.
Other way.
Right there.
Gotta remember this. Getting stuck in New Mexico. Thanks for helping us out, dude.
Hey!
Okay, we are making progress. Making progress.
Wow, we were ill prepared for this.
I was planning on us filming the next part of this video tomorrow, but us getting stuck warranted pulling out the camera. That was one of the craziest experiences we've ever had. We did get stuck once in the van and had to get towed out, but this was just really just a bad decision. We shouldn't have gone down that road. We knew we shouldn't have gone down that road. We tried to reverse, and then we got extremely stuck. I got super frustrated. It was not a good time. We're on the side of the highway. We're good. We're gonna start a fire, either wood fire or our Mr. Buddy heater, and get in the vibe and check with y'all tomorrow. It is 5:45 in the morning. I've been getting up every hour for the last, basically for the whole night, just turning our water on and off, making sure that the pipes don't freeze. But I just checked and the water is not working. You can see it's not working. I went outside, the pipes and everything are okay. The tank literally froze. It is 21 degrees outside. This bus is not made for the cold. This bus was made in Florida, not meant for New Mexico winter. So what I'm doing is I'm boiling some water and then pour it down the pipes. So hopefully warm them up, and maybe put some hot water into the tanks, and we'll see what happens. So for some reason, our water pump is just continuously running but no water's coming through, probably because some of the pipes are frozen. And unlike in our previous build, there was a button to just turn it off, but there's not one in here. I have to literally go into the back and unscrew the fuse block. Water starting to come slowly.
You think?
Look up the temperature right now.
7:45 and it's 23 degrees.
Woo! This is pretty beautiful, huh?
Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, this looks completely different than it did yesterday. Whoa.
We're in a winter wonderland.
Oh my gosh.
This is like one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
Wow. Look, no one's on the road.
We are just in the middle of nowhere. Pie Town, New Mexico. We're literally on the side of a highway. Look, there's our bus. There's the highway. Oh wait, Sonny, there's a car coming. There actually is human life driving through here.
We have no water, no heat. Power almost went out last night.
We're never gonna forget Pie Town, New Mexico. I tried to pop off our gray water tank because our gray water valve, I tried to like de-thaw it, and I cut my finger.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's like a crime scene. Ever since you lost your Uggs, it's been chaos. When in doubt, just remember when we were biking through White Sands National Park. That was cool. We also can't find our Band-Aids.
Yep, we have no Band-Aids. I really feel like we're so primitive right now. Our gray water is frozen, which is, the thought of it is kind of gross.
We have room for one coffee, so I think we're just gonna share one.
That's gonna be the best part of our day.
I know. Hey, this looks ridiculous. Look at my head. You're gonna talk to Tony? Where is he?
There's 3 sets of blankets.
So not there, not there.
This one. This is the one.
This one?
I think. Wait.
Wait, where is he?
How is he? Oh, it was the purple one.
Oh, he's like smushing
Oh,
it.
he's like really under there. I don't want to disturb him.
We'll just let him know when it's time to go. Why is this in here? Babe, I don't understand anything that's happening
I
right
don't know either.
Coffee time.
We can't like wash our face or brush our teeth. It just...
Can't even clean the coffee out.
I'm gonna sacrifice some of my water because
Coffee's life.
we have to have a good moment this morning. The most unaesthetic coffee morning.
Nothing's gonna taste better than this coffee. A little agave to make it a little sweet because there's no creamer for you. Coffee's ready.
Thank you so much.
We will always be able to have coffee. Oh my god, that's hilarious.
In our van, we always kept this spare water jug for emergencies, and so we kept it in the bus, thank God. So we're just gonna use that to fill up our water today. Tony's getting his breakfast no matter what. He did not want to come out from under those blankets. We had to force him. This water's from August. It's from my parents' house in California, so thank you guys. Honestly, I don't even feel that tired because it's so cold and so many crazy things have been happening. So I feel like our mind is just like...
I'm wired right now.
Wired? Yeah. Very memorable time in Pie Town, New Mexico. And I love snow for short periods of time. If we had been in our old van, this wouldn't have been a problem. Like none of these things would have been a problem.
The bus was too heavy, so we got stuck. The propane in the fridge went out. All of our water tanks were inside. Everything's outside here.
We had all-terrain tires in the van, so I think we could have gone out of our sticky situation last night, and our van was way more insulated. A lot of the windows here are old school bus windows, so the seal doesn't actually meet the very top.
There's a couple windows where it's just like always just this open. Like sometimes there's just like a draft that's coming in.
Exactly, and especially the front door.
The front door like actually doesn't close. We have a special destination that we've had planned for a few weeks that we're really excited to go to, which is why we're going through New Mexico in the first place. And we were going to take a couple days to get there, and we are now 6.5 hours from there. And we're just gonna
book it.
We're gonna book it. I do not care. It was gonna be this beautiful, like awesome 3-day road trip. We're getting there today. I don't care.
Yeah, we gotta get there. This has been a very memorable time with you, babe.
I know. I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else.
And thank you so much for everything that you did, like physical labor for this bus to keep us comfortable as much as we could be.
I did the best I could. You kept the spirits high, though.
I tried. Sunny and I tried to keep the spirits high, tried to keep it goofy. Obviously, we had our moments.
I had my moments, too, off camera. It wasn't great, but it is what it is.
But we appreciate you, baby. Thank God we had a cup of coffee, honestly.
I'm feeling great! Feeling wired! Feeling goofy!
This is why we always show our cup of coffee morning routine, because every day is so different in the van, in the bus, and just on the road in general. And so having that time, like, to have our coffee and chat and hang out, it's like sometimes the only routine that we have. That and watching Modern Family before bed. Because after our coffee chats,
all hell breaks loose. On this trip with the bus, as we're still getting used to the bus, even though we've been in it for a few months now, we're still learning everything about it, and going across country on a big road trip, it's a lot more chaotic than I think we anticipated.
Yeah, I'm so much happier with how much space we have, but things were just much easier, I feel like, in the van.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Because we had it, like,
dialed
so
to
solid.
a T.
I think
you know?
We didn't anticipate, like, how many things we were truly gonna have to do for the bus, because they did a beautiful build aesthetically, but there's so much to do to make it livable and, like, comfortable in all types of weather.
So we can't do extreme heat, extreme cold, and wet. 75 and sunny. That's what this is made for.
California, baby! Yeah! I'm not trying to complain. We really like the bus, and I am so much happier with how much space we have. It is a absolute game changer, but when we go home to California, we just have so many things to check off our list.
Let's get out of here.
Well, our drawers have popped open,
but have some
that's
good
not
news.
even the news. Yeah,
we have some good news. Look. Oh! It's actually working.
It just started trickling and now it's on. Okay, well, it's not fully thought out yet, but it's starting.
It's working its way.
Ah, Downy! We're gonna have water again! Yay! Yeah, we're gonna have water. Yeah, we're gonna have water. We just arrived to a Safeway to... What are we doing here?
I need to get a Band-Aid.
We need to get Band-Aids for Sam's finger. We might just get a jug of water just to have on hand in case the water doesn't fully come back until tonight or later.
Everything's coming together!
This is my thing, I noticed. I can't help but clap when I get really excited. It's just so funny how, like, ill-prepared we are for snow, because, like, we don't even have snowshoes or anything. I only have Uggs. I'm still wearing my pajamas because I can't brush my teeth or wash my face today. So yeah, that's that.
Let's go take him out to take a
Yeah, let's go. Go. We made it to Arizona. Looks beautiful.
Still have another hour and 20 minutes of our drive, but I am going to put our, valve on our gray water tank because it froze off last night.
And it's now unthawed and ready to go.
It's unthawed, ready to go. Gonna do it before it gets dark and cold.
Look at this little guy walking around in his sweater. Wow, look at this sunset. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, take a leak. So chilly. Just took a break at this gas station, but on this drive I finished Lessons in Chemistry, and it was such an incredible book. I've been reading a lot since we've been in the bus, just on these long drives, since I get to be passenger princess back here, and that was one of my favorite books of 2023. I know it's a really popular book already, and I think there's a TV show that I should probably watch, but it was incredible. So if you're looking for a new book recommendation, highly recommend Lessons in Chemistry. It feels absolutely incredible to have our water back. Our fingers and our limbs are finally unthawing from how cold they were last night and this morning. The sun is so beautiful right now, and we are away from the snow. It was a really weird 24 hours, but things are definitely looking up.
12 seconds later.
Oh my gosh, I just looked at the bottom of my shoes, and they have these like sticker things all over them. These thorny motherfuckers.
We call them the evils.
I'm pulling them off of my shoe right now. They're super thorny, but they're all over the ground right after I said things were looking up. And now they're hidden in the carpet, and these get stuck in Sunny's paws. Look at this pile. This is our setup for the night. We have an extra water just in case. We got this extra propane at the grocery store so that we can light our Mr. Buddy tonight.
They were quite expensive, so we only got one.
Okay, Sunny.
Last trek. We made it. Gloves and mittens is all 10 hours later. That was insane.
Wish us luck for tonight.
It's like the pub cups. There's nothing. It's Tony.
Oh, straight to the crotch.